Hi, I'm Chaitanya Priya. Today I will be presenting my DSCI 551 assignment, that is emulating Firebase using Flask and MongoDB. So the data set I've chosen for this assignment is the Olympics athlete data set. So the whole point of the assignment is to create an Olympics athlete directory where you can use commands to get data, which will help in analyzing the Olympics athletes' data over a period of time. So the attributes that are considered for this assignment is the ID of the athlete. Every athlete is recognized by a unique ID, and then the name, the city, age, sport, and the medal they would have won in the sport they competed for. So the tech stack I've used in this assignment is Flask and MongoDB. So when the user enters a command in the command line, Flask is used to accept the command, parse it over the Python code, and then communicate to the MongoDB to fetch, update, or insert the data in MongoDB. So MongoDB is the database that I'm using to store the Olympics data set with athletes as the collection. So I've used other libraries also like JSON and JSONify, which is used to convert the output we get to the JSON format, which will emulate the output that we've got from the Firebase. So how did I go about the assignment? So the first step was to know all of the different formats and different ways of Firebase commands. So all of these different conditions and commands were helped to create the different app routes for the Flask application. So after making note of all the different kinds of Firebase commands, I understood the working and the command itself structurally in Firebase, after which converting into MongoDB commands became possible. So at the end, after the implementation, the results of Firebase and Flask application were compared to check the correctness of the code. Now let me show you my actual code of how it is being implemented. So here I am connecting to the MongoDB server where my database is Olympics and the collection is athletes. So this is my MongoDB database for the presentation purpose. Only 20 of them are loaded, but then this can be used for it to work on a larger data set. So first, the first command that I will be emulating is the get command. So as you can see, this is where the this is the code where you accept the command from the command line, then converting it to a dictionary, and then handling the different order by and sort conditions. So first is the order by equal to, order by limit to first. So let me explain limit to first, how it's been accepted and converted it into a MongoDB command. So if in my query there's order by and limit to first, I store on which it should be ordered by in the variable v, and then the limit value which the user has specified in the limit value. And then this is the MongoDB command where I get all the data and then sort it, because there is order by, sort it on the order by condition the user has specified, and then limit to first since it's sorted in ascending order. Then I've limited it to the first 5 or the first 10 according to whatever the user has specified, converting it into a list. And then at the end, I'm converting it into JSON data to emulate the output as in you get from the Firebase. So likewise, I have created different app routes for different methods, that is get, delete, according to a certain attribute. There is also the post, where since the database is indexed on ID, so you insert data to MongoDB using post command and the put command. So in the post command, so if you specify an ID which already exists in the database, you get an error. Or else I use the insert one MongoDB command to insert it into the database. So likewise put command, delete, all of the different Firebase commands are emulated. So now let me show you the working of the different commands. So first I will be querying the whole of the database. So here from ID 1 to ID 20, I've returned all of the database. Then I'm going to show the working of the get command, where my equal to condition is a person's name. So Edgar Lieutenant Ibai. So the same collection is returned. Next, I'm going to order by name, and then I want order by name is done lexicographically, and then I will be returning only the first 5 names. The last 5 names, that is from P to W. Next, another equal to on a different attribute, that is medal. I will be returning all of the athletes who've secured a gold medal. So these are the name of the athletes who've secured a gold medal. Then if I want just the medal that is won by the athlete with ID number 3, so he's won a bronze medal. Next, I'll be showing the filter conditions here, the start at and end at. So ideally the output I should be getting here is, so it's ordered by age. So anybody who's older than 30 but not older than 50, all of those data should be displayed here. So as you can see, from age 31, 34. Next is the order by, so next we'll do a put command where I create a new athlete. So athlete is created successfully. Let's check in the MongoDB compass if the athlete is created. So as you can see, ID 31 athlete has been created. So next, if it's the same ID, I want to update the name from John to Jim. So I'll be showing you that. So the athlete name is updated. Let's go check in MongoDB. So as you can see, from John, it's been updated to Jim. Next, what if I want to delete just the name? So the name information of athlete with ID 31 has been removed. Let's go check that out on MongoDB Compass. So as you can see, the name has been deleted. Next, I will delete the whole of the collection. I will delete the collection that I have created using the put command. So the athlete has been deleted successfully. Yeah, so as you can see, I have only 20 entries on my MongoDB collection. Next, I also have a post command which creates a new. So athlete has been created. So this has been my DSCI 551 assignment. So the learning outcomes of this assignment is I learned how to analyze Firebase commands and find an equivalent in MongoDB. Also, I learned the working of Flask application, how to create the different app routes according to my needs. So yeah, thank you.